Good afternoon, students. Today we are discuss about NPO non-profit organizations problem number 2. So this example is PUC second year March 2020. So you can remind it. Okay. So first you can write the problem. So 12 marks problem is there. From the following balance sheet and receipt and payment account of Unity Club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on that date. So you can prepare the income and expenditure account and the balance sheet of 31st March 2019. So you can imagine. So when opening balance sheet is given, so at that time how to solve the problems. So balance sheet as on 31st March 2018, remind it. So liability side, outstanding rent rupees 100, capital fund 27,600, both totaling 27,700. Next, asset side, cash in hand 2,200, building 20,000, outstanding subscriptions 500, furniture 3,000, books 2,000. So totaling 27,700. Both sides are assets and liabilities. Both sides are equal amount 27,700. Next, we can read to receipt and payment account for the year ended 31st March 2019. So debit side first, receipts to balance brought down BD 2,200, to subscriptions 32,500, to life of membership fee 3,250, to donation 2,500, to profit from entertainment 7,250, to interest 1,100. So totaling 48,800. So payment side, on the credit side, by rent 6,600, by lecturer's fee 3,900, by printing and stationery 2,500, by books bracket 31st 3 2019 8,400, and by furniture 110 2018 9,900. So by balance CD, that is cash in hand 17,500. So totaling 48,800. Both sides totaling 48,800. So next, that is adjustments are given. So additional informations are given. So first adjustment is subscriptions outstanding on 31st March 2019 rupees 750. B. Rent outstanding on 31st March 2019 rupees 500. C. Donations to be capitalized. D. Depreciate furniture at 10% per annum including purchase. And last, depreciate books at 10% per annum. So all the adjustments are given. So how to, next we can see the how to solve this example. So first, read the carefully example, remind it. Which adjustments are given, which effects are there, so you can first find out. Next, you can prepare the pro forma of income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet for the annual year 31st March 2019. So remind. Next, all the assets and liabilities as well as receipt and payments, all the items are transferred to the income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet. So next, all adjustments, clarify. Next, you can find out the surplus and deficit. When the surplus is kept, at that time you can add it in capital fund. When deficit is kept, at that time you can less the surplus. So you can remind it. Next, all included capital is the included added. So you can remind it. Okay, so just you can see the adjustments. Number one, outstanding. Sorry, number one, subscriptions outstanding on 750. So current year outstanding is given. So at that time you can add it in a subscription amount. Next, you can show the subscription on liability side, right? Sorry, asset side, and rent outstanding on 31st March 2019 rupees 500 rent outstanding. So rent is outstanding is there, so 500, that amount you can show the liability side. Donations to be capitalized, so already capitalized in the donations. Okay, capital fund included, so all amount are given. So depreciate furniture 10% for an including purchase. So new, okay, furniture is there and old furniture are both included. So depreciate the furniture at 10%. So furniture less the amount depreciation and to show to the, okay, expenditure side. So depreciate books at 10% per annum. Only depreciate only for old, okay, reminding it is not including purchases, so that is not included new year, only for old depreciate books. So you can remind. So as it is, we can solve the example. Okay, next we can see how to solve the example. Okay, so how to solve this example? So first you can prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2009. Okay, so prepare the format, remind it. So you can prepare the inner and outer column. Okay, two column you can prepare the this side you can, this is part of the debit side and this is the credit side. So first income and expenditure, what you can write the debit side expenditure. AMT in rupees, AMT in rupees, remember. So income amount in rupees, amount in rupees. Next you can prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st May 2019. So as it is, you can prepare the inner and outer column. Liability amount in rupees. Next, assets amount in rupees, right? So income and expenditure account of Unity Club. Unity Club, right? So first you can prepare the format of income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet. Next, you can transfer to the items. Okay. So first you can see the payment side. Payment side to rent. So you can write the in the column 6,600. Next, to lecturer fees. Lecturer fee 3,900. Next, by printing and stationery, that means to printing and stationery 2,500. Next, okay, right, credit side by subscriptions. Inner column you can write 32,500. Next, by profit from entertainment. Direct you can write the outer column 7,250. 7,250. Next, by interest. By interest 1,100. Right. Next, asset side you can write. Okay. Books is there. First you can write books. Okay. 31st 3/2019. So 8,400. So previous book is there. So books, okay, 2018. So that amount 2,000. Next, furniture is there. Furniture. So first furniture is 2018. So furniture is there. Furniture 3,000. Next, add. Okay, new purchase. Purchase furniture 1/10/2018. So 9,900. Right. building, direct outflow 20,000, right? Next, building. Next, you can write cash in hand. Cash in hand. Already balance is given, so balance paid down 17,500. Right. Next, capital fund. Opening balance. Capital fund opening balance 27,600. Okay. So remaining all items almost done. Okay, outstanding rent. So first outstanding rent less. It is part of the previous year. Okay. So that propose outstanding rent previous year. So that amount we can less. So 6,500 is there. Okay. So any items are there? Okay. Capital fund. So next, surplus. Add surplus less deficit. Okay. Add capitalized. So one is life of membership fee. Life of membership fee. Life of membership fee 3,250. Next, add donation. Donation to be capitalized. Donation amount is there 2,500. So almost okay. All items you can write up already, or you can write. So next one point is outstanding subscription. So outstanding subscription is there less outstanding subscription, less outstanding subscription 500 rupees. So next remaining amount 32,000 remaining. So all the concepts, okay, we can write. So next we can see the additional information. So first additional information is there. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2019 750. So subscription add outstanding subscription. Okay. Current year 750. Okay. 750. You can show the 750 amount on asset side. Subscription 750. So one adjustment is completed. So 32,750. You can transfer to the outer column amount. Next, rent outstanding. Second is B. Rent outstanding. Rent is there. So add current year outstanding rent. Okay, current year. So 500 is there. That amount you can add it and transfer to the 7,000 amount outer column. So that amount you can transfer liability side. $500, right? So outer column. Okay. Next, third adjustment. C. Donations to be capitalized. Already we can write the 2500. Donation to be capitalized only for capitalized. Okay. Next, depreciate furniture at 10% per annum. Depreciate furniture. So you can write first up, okay, 2DP. So furniture 10%. So furniture is first furniture 2018. So including purchases, okay, including purchase, that is the new are included. So first you can write 10%. Then divided by 100 into 3,300. Next another is second is there 9,900. So 10%. Okay, 100 into 9,900 into. So 6 months are there. So you can see the including purchases. So already books. Okay, furniture has given. Okay, 10, 11, 12, January, February, and March. So actually 6 months are there. So 6 divided by 12. As it is, you can calculate the depreciation. Okay. Less depreciation. Next. Okay, as well as depreciate book. Another concept is a book. Okay, 10%. So old book is here only for 10% divided by 100 into 2000. So 200. So that amount only for 200. So only for, okay, old. So depreciate books at only 10%. Books only for 10%. Depreciation. Okay. Depreciation 10%, 10 divided by 100 into 2000 is equal to, okay, 200 amount is there. 10,400 less 200, that means 2,200 amount is transferred. So you can calculate depreciation. Okay. Wait. Okay. You can find out the depreciation on furniture. So 3,000, that is 10% is there. So total amount is there 9,900. So furniture is coming in a business. So 6 months. So that purpose you can find out the, okay, total amount. So total 495. So next book is there. So total amount is there 2,000 on 10%. So 200. So all you can calculate 300 plus 495 plus 200. So total depreciation amount is there 9,995. So next we can find out, okay, surplus or deficit. So you can see, first you can find out the credit side, 32,750 plus 7,250 plus 1,100. So calculation amount is there, total is coming 41,100. Okay. Next, so you can find out the expenditure side. So 7,000 plus 3,900 plus 2,500 plus 995. So amount is 14,395. Okay, less 41,100. So 26,705. To surplus 26,705. So 41,100. Okay, surplus means excess the income over the expenditure. So surplus amount you can transfer to the balance sheet. Okay, on liability side. So already we can write the opening balance is given. So add subscription. Okay, depreciate, it is nil. So surplus amount is 26,705. Okay, so you can choose all the amount. Next, add to the capitalizer. So life of membership is there, donation is there. So total you can add it. 27,600 plus 26,705 plus 3,250 plus 2,500. So totaling 60,055. So next, okay, add 500. So liability side, so totaling is 60,555. Okay, next you can calculate to find out asset side. 17,500 plus 10,200 plus 12,105 plus 20,000 plus 750. So 60,550. That is, our example is correct. So this example we can tally. So how to you can tally this example? So already, okay, I can give on the instructions. So follow the instructions. Notary. March 2019 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ದಿರಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ದಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೈಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂಥ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ನಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೆಫಿಸಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊನೆ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಥರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು, ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಿಮಗೇನೋ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು 2ನೇ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಮುಕ್ತ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.